Right friends, in today's video we're going to be installing a extractor hood in the kitchen. So to start off with, I'm going to do some measurements. I found the middle. Okay, this is the middle. That's the hood nicely hung. And now what we need to do is we need to drill some more holes. Okay. So these holes are to secure the top part of the chimney. This is the template to give us the idea how to cut the top chimney part in angle, because the ceiling is in this angle, so therefore we need to cut the chimney part in angle as well, like this from here. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. So I've marked here and I already marked on this side of it. So before I cut it with angle grinder, I'm gonna put masking tape so that I don't scratch the good part. There you go. By using a masking tape, we can get a proper angle as well. Right friends, these are the bottom screws to secure the wood from the bottom, and once these are nicely tightened, it's going to be rock solid. It's going to be impossible to move. There you go, that's that done. These are the filters. Right friends, there you go. Now that we have installed the kitchen hood, just gonna turn the light on, which is just the button here. There you go, that's the two lights there, and then that's one setting, that's two settings, that's three settings. Okay, so you got the three settings. Kitchen hood nicely fitted. It's flush to the ceiling. I had to cut it in the angle to get the right finish.